English, English. This way you can't improve your English because if I talk about my ways of improving English, so it is the funniest way which I applied in my beginnings. Like improving English, it's not a play of any children's, I would say. It's an art. It's an art, you have to learn. Especially, I'm talking about if you're so frustrated, right? You attempt multiple times to speak single sentence, and even though you are unable to speak at least single sentence in the correct form with the grammar, so this is the certain things like you are not up to the mark into this language. So the questions comes into this field how anybody can improve their English at home, and what is the strategy? What are the strategies this would apply in their beginnings? So my dear friends, today I'm going to reveal some ways so that will be quite impactful and impeccable, you can say. It must be worked 100%, damn sure, enough you need to apply in your daily life. The one thing what I experienced for my entire journeys while learning English, it doesn't matter how much knowledge do you have about grammars, about vocabulary, or about anything related English. But if you do not speak, if you do not deliver any sentence, any statement regarding any matters, any topics, I think it is a wasting of your time only. Because I think 99% people might have done basic things into their school time, right? When we were fourth standard, five standard, ninth standard, right? In that times, I think most of the persons might have done this basic course, learning basic grammars, tenses, like many more things related spoken English. What things we couldn't done? Speaking. This is the practical act that is more imperative for the beginners. So I mean to say that you have to speak first. You have to speak anything. It doesn't matter how much correct you are into every sentences, into every statement of your own. If you're trying to speak, it must be help you. While speaking with a stranger, you're going to insist your mind, try to remembering what you learned previously. And this is very consecutive for you to remind your previous memories. What you learn about vocabulary or fancy idioms, phrases, many more things. Right? So while speaking, we are going to have self-existence in the actual situations where the situations has a demanded of getting multiple stuff related to spoken English. So my dear friends, that's the reason still I'm telling you. Like there's no alternative ways of improving English early or there's no any shortcuts way. The thing is that you have to do the practical act. You have to speak. Speaking in the way where you are going to learn how to articulate your sentences, how to fix new vocabulary in your sentences, and many more things. In that situation, you are going to implement new things. And damn sure, these things no any professional will mention you. They will give you multiple suggestions, multiple strategy. Like you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to learn this vocab, you have to learn these idioms, and these are stuff which would be sufficient for you to be fluent into this language. But no one will say you ever like speaking is the best way of having fluency over this language and having the better improvement. If I talk about my personal experience, what I learn, what I experience for entire journey in my speaking, I speak much more. Countless time I spoke with the multiple personalities. I used multiple applications where I got to know while connecting with any strangers how to react, right? How to maintain my expressions, my eye contact, and many more things. In that process, I got to know.